I thought of taking a nap like this cute bumblebee on top of my calendula, but Gigi Naturals tagged me in TCB challenge. So here I am, Gigi, accepting your challenge. Let's take care of business in my garden. There are a lot of things waiting for my attention and time in the garden, but these potatoes had been the most patient. They had started dying back, as you can see, so let's dig them up. This is my first year growing potatoes in grow bags, and I noticed that they grow much bigger. The foliage grows big. The potato yield, I can't say is more than it would have been in ground. But let's see this other one. You can see how tall they were. I had to actually put a tomato cage over them to support. And now let's take it out and see what's in there. And these are purple potatoes. I forgot the exact name of the variety, but they're supposed to be really nice, pretty purple color. So let's take a look. Oh yes, I do love the color. It's so pretty. I hope they taste as good as they look. I think this bag had more potatoes than the other one. So now as we dig the potatoes out, let's plant something in these grow bags. So let's see what I have. I brought all of my seeds out. I like to make decisions in the garden on the spot. So I think it's time to plant peas because it's August. And peas grows well in fall and spring. So fall is coming soon. Let's pick what varieties we can plant today. And I think I'll go with this Lincoln peas. And it's a great garden variety. So let's plant in one bag Lincoln and in the other one Magnolia Blossom. It has pretty flowers, so that's what I want to do. And both of these are climbing varieties, which means they require a trellising. And I can use the same tomato cage and just plant on both sides of each stake over here, all around, and then plant some in the middle as well. So let's get to it. First, Lincoln peas. I always plant a few in each hole, like about 5-6. And then I'll plant some more in the middle, so we'll have enough seedlings. And if it will be too crowded, then I can transplant them somewhere else in the garden. Now let's put this tomato cage in the other one so I know where to plant my peas. And this grow bag will be Magnolia Blossom. And they look quite different from the Lincoln. They are darker. can't wait to grow them. I really like those flowers. They do look like magnolias. I also had 2 pots available, and I decided to plant some small variety, dwarf variety peas. It's perfect for this pot. So one is Tom and the other one Desiree Dwarf. Both of them are bush varieties and they don't require staking. Perfect for small plastic pots. I like the color of this one, so unique. I wonder if it gets this color when it dries up, or it's like this from the beginning. I'll guess we'll find out in the fall. So this was my answer to the TCB challenge, taking care of business. We digged the potatoes out and planted some fall peas. Now I'll nominate 3 of my YouTube friends, 3 lady gardeners, for this challenge. So here you are. Lisa from Yogi Hollow Farm, Danny from Wicked Awesome Gardening, and Bethany from Chicago Gardener. So I challenge you guys to take care of business in your gardens. Thank you for watching. See you next time.